Sometimes when your teachers help you, they put you in a position, you go, wow, that's even. And you put a mental picture of that in your mind and you try to remember it. Okay, and on an exhalation, over you go. Over you go, to the halfway position. To the halfway position. Put your hands on the blocks. So the crown of the head, straight forward, so the sides of the neck are long. And this hip feels as though it's moving a little bit more back to get this whole side of the body to lengthen. And give me a little bit more feeling of firming here. Yes, I want you to be bouncy, not bouncy. So the whole inner leg, like there was a block there, it still has that feeling of lifted. It's going this way and into the belly and the sternum and the crown of the head, and that line of energy is connected. Okay, now you're going to take your left hand to the block, and you're just going to put your right hand here. Okay, and I want you to hook your thumb there. Okay, now keep moving this back, and instead of taking your body this way, I want you to keep thinking forward bend. I want you to keep thinking forward bend. And I don't want you to sit in this arm. I want you to lift up out of it. That's it. Keep lifting out of it. This leg is doing downward dog. This leg is doing down dog. And this side of the body is turning. Drop the shoulder away from the ear and keep your hand underneath your shoulder. Okay, try not to look up. Look this way. And steady. That's it. So when you're moving into the pose, don't move fast so that the base doesn't change. So this is releasing, and this is doing a forward bend, and these are dropping away from your ear, and this is where you're doing the twist. And I want you to push out of the shoulder. Okay, and release into the block. Okay, let's do it.